Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive business management system. In this video, we will guide you through the accounting function, specifically the accounts receivable and customer tool. Let us dive in. Once you log into Parsimony, navigate to the accounting module by clicking on the accounting option in the top menu. Here, you will find various accounting features to manage your finances effectively. To access the accounts receivable tool, click on the accounts receivable tab. This feature allows you to manage your company's outstanding invoices, customer payments, and overall accounts receivable. Now, let us explore the customer tool. Click on the Customers tab to manage your customer database and view their outstanding balances. To add a new customer, click on the New button. Here, you can enter the customer's details. Fill in the required fields, such as their name, contact information, and billing address. You can also add additional information, such as their tax ID or credit limit, if applicable. Once you have entered all the relevant information, click on the Save button to save the customer details. Great! You have successfully added a new customer to your database. Now, let's navigate back to the Accounts Receivable dashboard to manage their outstanding balances. On the Accounts Receivable dashboard, you can view a list of all your customers and their outstanding balances. The outstanding amount column shows the total amount due from each customer. Let us select a customer to view their details and manage their outstanding invoices. To view the customer's outstanding invoices, click on the Sales Invoice tab. Here, you can see a list of all the invoices related to this customer. The status column indicates whether an invoice is paid or pending. To create a new sales invoice for this customer, click on the New button. Fill in the necessary details for the sales invoice, such as the invoice number, date, and due date. Specify the account head and enter the item details, such as the product or service provided, quantity, and rate. Once you have entered all the relevant information, click on the Save button to save the sales invoice. Fantastic! The sales invoice has been created, and it now appears in the customer's list of outstanding invoices. By utilizing the Accounts Receivable and Customer tools, you can easily manage your customer database, track outstanding balances, and stay on top of your accounts receivable. That concludes our brief tutorial on the Parsimony accounting function, specifically the Accounts Receivable and Customer tools. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember, Parsimony provides a comprehensive suite of features to streamline your business operations. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore the Parsimony documentation or reach out to our support team.